What's up, everybody? This is Kiante Miles, and this is Day in My Life. It's 6:15, about to head to work out. Gotta be quiet. Housemates, they don't grind this early. I'm part of the football team here at Macalester, so we got that morning lift. Start the day off right with some healthy exercise.
See, people think we only lift in the weight room, but we also dance and sing. Hit it, Hodge. Yep. We have fun in the mornings. Ain't that right?
Yes,
Ain't that right,
sir.
Go, fight shots on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Fight shots!
So we're back at the house, about to clean up, and then we gonna get cooking in the kitchen. Only got an hour though, cause gotta be back at the LC for work study. Is make the best oatmeal in the Midwest. This is the secret. Berries. You throw some berries in there, it's scrumptious. Head back out into the world. Actually about to get some classes. Hold up. We got a package first. Here we go, take 2. Now we're ready to hit the real world. Looky there, already here. Didn't take that long at all. You know, didn't have to send off some gases into the environment, anything like that. Carpool or walk, bike, we do it right. All right, here we are on Rice Natural Science Hub. I am a computer science major, so we're out here going to algorithms, make it do what it do. So we just finished up class, software and protection. A really great class, actually. Professor put work aside, and we had a conversation, not only how tech is evolving socially in our world, but especially with the shootings and things that have been going on last week, and the bombing, the package bombs, stuff like that. Just to be able to talk about it, kind of a free environment, super dope. Also, still learning about what we're supposed to be learning about, you know, technology, computer software, how is that playing a part into all this? Super sweet. About to head home, do some homework, grind it out, get some food in us, and we got a little surprise for tonight. So we like to get some soul in the food, and in our hearts, and in the music right here. And there it is, look at that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta get in Rex here, my Jeep, because we head into a T-Wolves game, baby. Here we go. We on our way. We got Scotties on the roll because we about to catch Lakers Timberwolves. I say upset. I say T-Wolves, baby. Told y'all we gonna be out here at the game. Look at this. Show you guys what's up. Look at that. Look at that. It's a fun night at the T-Wolf game. Glad they came out on top. About to head back inside now, back at the house, do some homework. It's about 11 o'clock, but you know, grind don't stop here at Macalester. All right, y'all, we've had an amazing, fun-filled day. We got up early, had the lift, went to classes, almost had a tour. Also got to go to a game tonight, which is super sweet. So thankful for the Twin Cities, and so thankful for you guys checking us out, and you know, just have a good night and blessings be where you are.